what is affiliate marketing? So you want to make money online, right? Making that cheddar, making that green, making paper, you know what I mean? Yo, it's Affiliate Success Patrol. Let's set the scene. Let's learn to earn that extra green. Affiliate marketing is simple and plain. Promote the product and earn from the gain. They give you a link unique to you. Share it out, that's what you do. When folks click on a link and buy the goods, you get a cut, just like you should. Each sale they make, your cash flows in. Commission time, let the earners begin.
Easy stuff. Use your blogs, social feeds.
Share that link and fulfill your needs. So start sharing, start earning today. Follow me now and let's pave the way.